Hello, how's you going, Martin? Thanks to be here to like and subscribe these videos. If you like these lessons, you can visit my website, bluesguitarlessons.ca. A lot of information there. You can take online lessons with me. You can visit my Patreon too. A lot of links with tabs and information for blues players. Today I bring you this concept of adding the major third to your playing, which is a note is not included on my minor pentatonic scale. Minor pentatonic scale, we play minor third, root minor third, fourth, fifth, flat seventh, root minor third, fourth, fifth, flat seventh, root minor third. So in this box one, we play minor third 3 times, which is here, here, and here. That's great, that's part of the sound of the scale. But when we play major blues sequences, 12-bar blues in the key of A, but with dominant chords, ninth, I'm not playing a minor blues, so would be a great idea if you add your major third, which is right next to your minor third. So minor third, major third, minor third, major third, minor third, major third. How we can do that? Well, we have basically 3 approaches to the major third. The first one would be playing the major third straight. I will start hybridizing, hybrid my minor and my major pentatonic scale, doing this. The second way to add my major third, and it's really used this way in blues, is adding a hammer. Minor, major third, playing a hammer between the minor and major third. That sound. Yeah, it could be hammer or slide. And the third option would be, which is super interesting, this option, it's playing bendings. Bend the flat third, half step to get the sound of the major third. Also, what you can do is bend less than half step. You are not playing the minor third and you are not playing the major third. You are playing something in between. So we destabilize the sound of the minor third. But we don't play minor third, we don't play major third. We just play, as I told you, something in between. You see? It's not half step. It's something before. Yeah? So immediately you will get that blues sound. Yeah? Major third of my that's a major third of my box 5. first, box 2, box 3, and mixing up all the options. Box 4, bass my major third, minor major third, together always. So that's the idea for today. You can find on my Patreon a PDF where I put the 5 boxes of the minor pentatonic scale and I add the major third, so you can find it all around your fretboard. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks to like and subscribe again, and see you soon.